Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix high ping in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, disable any VPN you were using. VPNs can increase ping and cause lag. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, select VPN, and turn off all switches. Another solution is to clear your DNS cache and reset WinSock. Get to your Windows menu and open Command Prompt as administrator. Inside it, type ipconfig //flushdns. Next, type netsh winsock reset, and then restart your PC. Next, you can change your DNS to Google DNS by searching for network connection in your Windows search bar. Inside it, select your Wi-Fi router and double-click on it. Now, select Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. Here, change the DNS from automatic to manual and type 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. So that's basically how you can fix high ping in Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks.